Alright, what we have here is the KOTOR door from Star Wars Knights of the Old Republic 1. Um, Now, overall, I've made it a little bit more high poly than the model that you see on this in the game. Um, but even though I made it that much more high poly, I couldn't get all the details exactly right. At least in the sense, they bake a lot of these details right here. And without either adding more topology in this gray block form, I cannot add those extra details, or at least to the Pacific, the way they look. So I've had to cut it and make it kind of close, but overall, for this gray block application, I think it looks good. My biggest issue with the door overall was this, getting this to work right here properly. It would usually hit the left side of the door right here when I did it the original way that I was trying to do it, which was, I took a cylinder, I sliced off 4 faces off the bottom and top, and then I duplicated this wall face right here. I duplicated it, brought it here, and then duplicated it and brought it here. That obviously did not work. It actually made this like way over here, and like it would hit this side of the wall. So I figured out a way to defeat it, but either way it goes, I fixed it. It works. And then plus there's these underneath brackets that kind of actually go into the door. Right here, you see the door sliding down, and also it's actually sliced at an angle. I have it sliced flat, but it is sliced at an angle in this game. So I don't know if I'm gonna fix it or not. Maybe, maybe not. I don't really know. But my main goal with this door is to put it in Unreal so I can try to get it to work. And put it in my gray block kit as a sci-fi door to use or whatever if you need to. Now I've made it to scale, which is like I've been working on scale a lot. The person will fit through the door by more than like a head or so. But yeah, overall I think it looks pretty good. I've got it looking pretty nice. And once I figure out how to get it to work in the engine, now whether regardless or not, whether that be I need to animate it in Blender and then move that over, which I'm thinking that's what I have to do. I'm pretty sure that's actually what I have to do. I'll figure it out, but it's okay. But now, onward to the final part of the video. Now, this is for Microsoft. I speak directly to you. I have made her 35% more bustier and 35% more curvier. And at that rate, Microsoft, I may not be a game developer, but I'm not making my females looking like crap. I will make them more bustier now, just because you bitched about it. I will make them like 25 to 30% more bustier now, just because you wanted to whine about it. But I mean, I'm not a game developer, so I guess it really don't matter. But take it easy. Peace.